Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are taking a look at the best cycling odometer that helps you track your ride with accuracy and style. If you want clear data, reliable positioning, and a lightweight design on your bike, this one might be a great choice. Let's get started. This is the Cyclami BKV310 Cycling Odometer. Cyclami designed this device to bring precision and convenience together in a slim and sporty body. From the first look, you can see that it is compact and clean, but it is packed with smart features. One of the standout features of the Cyclami BKV310 Cycling Odometer is its 2.4-inch strong visual screen. The display allows you to view 7 commonly used data points at the same time. That means you can quickly check your speed, distance, and other key stats without switching between screens. Everything is visible at a glance, which helps you stay focused on your ride. Positioning accuracy is another big advantage. The Cyclami BKV310 supports 5 satellite co-location systems. It combines Beidou and GPS to provide fast and stable positioning. Whether you are riding in a busy city or out in the countryside, the signal remains reliable. This ensures accurate tracking of your route and distance. Visibility in different lighting conditions is also well handled. The odometer features a backlit display that turns on for 30 seconds when it detects speed or when you press a button. This makes it easier to read your data during early morning or evening rides. You do not have to strain your eyes to see important information. Battery life is strong as well. The Cyclami BKV310 Cycling Odometer includes a 650 mAh battery that can provide up to 20 hours of continuous use. This covers daily riding needs without frequent charging. You can focus more on cycling and less on worrying about battery levels. Durability is another key feature. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, the device can handle rain and wet conditions without damage. This gives you confidence to ride in different weather conditions without hesitation. Despite all these features, the design remains slim and lightweight. It measures only 16 millimeters in thickness and weighs just 50 grams. It blends smoothly with your bike and does not add unnecessary bulk. Overall, the Cyclami BKV310 Cycling Odometer combines a clear display, accurate satellite tracking, reliable battery life, waterproof protection, and a sleek, lightweight design. It gives you the tools to monitor your performance while keeping your setup simple and stylish. Ready to upgrade your ride? Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart and budget-friendly product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.